Hello, welcome to Healthy Living Fitter channel. My name is Florence Straka. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make the best homemade smoothie with just 4 ingredients: banana, plum, cranberry juice, strawberries. That's what we'll be using. And so let's go right in and see what we can experiment today. I have my plum here and I have my banana. I have my cranberry juice that I'll be using. I have a strawberry. Okay, so this is new. This is a new experiment. I have not used plum in my smoothies before. I use all kinds of other things but not plum. So today I want to try and see how, when I incorporate all this together, how it will come out. So I already cleaned this up, take this out. So what I'm going to do is I am going to cut this, try to take the skin off. I bought this for a few days, so it's really soft, so I'll be able to. So I just take the skin because I want to see how this is going to come out. All right, so I am going to cut, just take this skin of the plum. So this has a little seed inside. Just cut around it, the seed out. All right, and I am going to put this in the blender, here. All right, and then I am going to peel off the bananas, and as always, try to get all the string out with this in here. All right, and as that is done, I am going to add some strawberries. So I'm just going to take 3 strawberries. As I mentioned before, I don't eat strawberries just like this. I transform it into something else and add it to something to use, like juice type. But for the sake of this video, I want to make it this way so you can see. And you can always add more. Since I'm only making this for myself, I'm not going to use too many ingredients. But if you are making this for 3 people, 4 people, then you can double the amount of things I'm doing. You can double the banana. I only use 1 banana, 1 plum, and then 3 strawberries. So you can, how much you want to have in there, you can add more. Once this is done, I have my cranberry juice. I either use a pomegranate juice or cranberry juice. So this is what I'm going to be using. And I am going to add this to what we have here. This is just 1 cup. You can add more. All right, and I'm going to set this on here and add a little bit more juice. And all I have to do is I'm going to blend this. And then here we go. The reason why I like this blender because it's all marked. It tells you how many cups you have on here. And we just have a little bit over 1, almost going to 2 cups. Now I am going to take the cover off. I am going to pour this. Oh wow, look at that. The texture, everything nice. And I am just going to make a little like that here. Just a little design. And maybe we can add a little strawberry too. Wow, look at this. What do you think? I think this is lovely. And I am going to taste this so we can see exactly how this tastes like, and I'm gonna let you know. All right, so here we go. Oh, it has a little sharp edge to it because of the plum. I taste the plum, I taste everything. I taste the strawberry, the bananas. Oh, well, it's a little strong, I think, from the plum, but the experiment is not bad. I mean, you can try this and see how you like it. You can add an ice to it. You can blend it, smooth it like this and put it in a refrigerator for it to cool for you before you use. But apart from that, this is pretty good. The taste is not too sweet because of the plum has the flavor is a little bit stronger. So, but you taste everything else in here. I think this smoothie is ready to go. Let me know when you try this. Let me know what you think, and if you add something else to yours to make it a little bit better, or maybe you add mango or something else to it, let me know. I just want to see how yours came out because this came out right for me. I hope you try this, and if you like this channel, click on this subscribe button and also notification button so you'll be notified whenever I make some experiment juice like this. So I hope to see you on my next video. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and keep smoothing, juicing. It's all good for us. So I'll see you on my next video. Take care. Bye bye.